Hey, welcome back to the series of Accountancy Chapter 2 Accounting for Partnership Basic Concept. In this video, we are solving sum on quarterly basis. So we have a three different scenario. In this, we will talk about at the beginning of each quarter, at the middle of each quarter, at the end of each quarter. Okay. So these are the three scenarios. Based on this, we are solving a sum. So, okay, the question. Calculation of interest on drawing of Mahesh for the year ending 31st-3-2018. If withdraw rupees 12,000 per quarter, it's a 12,000 for a quarter. In each quarter, rate of interest is 10%. We need to calculate at the beginning of each quarter and the middle of each quarter, at the end of each quarter. So for the first scenario, we'll take this one, that is at the beginning of each quarter. So at the beginning of each quarter, we all know we have to solve based on the formula, that is interest is equal to total drawings into interest into average period divided by 12. In order to solve average period, we have to go through an average period formula. So average period is equal to longest period plus shortest period divided by 2. In order to calculate the longest and the shortest period, we'll use our method, that is the calendar method. So in order to get easy, you don't get this in exam, but to make you understand, I'm just using a simple calendar. So first of all, quarterly is nothing but the 3 months is quarterly. Here in this example, they're given in a good manner. So this is Q1 and this is Q2, this is Q3 and this is Q4. So quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. Every 3 months is called quarter. Quarter means it's 1/4 out of 12 months. 1/4 month is 3 months. So from the first quarter will start from April to June, and the next quarter will start from July to September, and next is October to December, next is January to March. So in the first case, he started withdrawing at every first day of quarter. So the first quarter is April, and the next quarter is July, and the next quarter is October, and the next quarter is January. So these are the 4 month he withdraw 12,000. Okay. So in order to calculate the average period, we have a formula called longest period plus shortest period divided by 2. So the longest period is from April, the first drawing date, from April to the accounting period end, that is 31st. If we calculate from here to here, that is 12. The longest period is equal to 12 plus the shortest period. The shortest period is the last day of withdrawal amount, that is withdraw on January 1st. So from here to the accounting period end date, that is March 31st. So from here to here 1, and here to here 2, and here to here 3. So we have 3 shortest period or months divided by 2. So that's what we are writing here. Longest period is equal to 12 plus 3 is the shortest period divided by 2. If you calculate this, you will get 15 divided by 2, that is 7.5. And now you have to calculate the actual formula, that is interest is equal to total drawings into rates into average period divided by 12. He drew 12,000 rupees. Okay. Into, why we are taking 4? The reason behind taking 4 is in an year we have 12 months but 4 quarters. So that's why this problem is all about quarters. So that's why we are not multiplying by 12, we are just multiplying by 4, because we have only 4 quarter every year. So in a 1 quarter he will withdraw 12,000. So for 4 quarter he will withdraw 48,000. You have to multiply, just that's it. Next, into 10% into the 7.5, that's a month, average period month. So if you calculate that, 48,000, 00 cancel, and 480 into 10 into 7.5 divided by 12, that will be 3,000 rupees. Okay, next, in this scenario, we'll consider the middle of each quarter. The middle of each quarter is nothing but the middest day of the quarter. In order to fulfill the main formula, we need to calculate the average period. So the average period formula is longest period plus shortest period, we all know, divided by 2. And to calculate the average period for the middle of each quarter, we have to come here to the calendar. So here the quarter will start from here, April. Next quarter will start from July, and next quarter is October, and next is January. In this quarter 1, which is the middest day or the center day or middle day? So center will be always center, right? In this, that will come 15th May. So from here to here it's 1.5 month. From here to here, that's 1.5 month. So this is an exact center for this quarter. So like that, if you calculate for the Q2, that means quarter 2, the second quarter, that will be here 15th. It's always continue like that every middle of the month. So these are the 4 date which you withdraw 12,000 rupees. So if I ask you to calculate longest period and shortest period, the longest period is the first day of withdrawal is 15th. From 15th to the accounting period end date, that is 31st March. From here to here, how many days are there? So as usual, we have to calculate from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 months plus this 15 days. Okay, we have calculated from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the 15th extra days you have to add. So totally the longest period is 10 and a half, and the shortest period, just calculate the shortest period. Now to calculate the shortest period, the last day of withdrawal is this 15th, right? The February 15th is the last day of withdrawal in that quarter. So from that to accounting period end date, that is 31st. From here to here, we have a 15 days plus 1 month. So that is 1 month or 1.5 month, 1.5 or 1.5 month. So that's it. If you come back here, longest period is 10.5 months plus shortest period is 1.5 month. If you add it, you will get 12 divided by 2, just 2 ones are 2 6 are, so 6 months. Okay, now it's main formula. Interest is equal to total drawings into rates into average period divided by 12. So the total drawings is 12,000. You have to multiply by the number of quarter. In a year, we'll get 4 quarters. So multiply by 4 quarter into 10% into 6. This 6 is came from here. So 6 divided by 12. 12 is in the formula. 12,000 into 4. That's 48,000 into 10 divided by 100 into 6 by 12. That is rupees 2,400. If you can do this, 0000 cancel, and 48 into 10 into 6 divided by 12. So 2,400. Moving on to the next scenario, that is at the end of each quarter. Average period is equal to longest plus shortest. It's a general formula. We have to consider this first before writing the main formula, because in the main formula we need to calculate this. So we need to calculate the end of each quarter. For that, we need to calculate the longest period and the shortest period. If you come back to the calendar, this is the quarter 1 and quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. So for every quarter end, that means this, this and this and this. So this is the quarter, right? 3 months is a quarter, and 3 months is a quarter, 3 months is a quarter. So in every quarter last day, that is 30th June and September 30 and December 31st and February 31st. So now calculate the longest period. The longest period is 30th June to 30th March 2022. Actually, when you consider 21, that will become 22. Okay, so accounting period end date, from here to accounting period end date is March. If you calculate from this 30 to this 31, just calculate like this. You can't calculate this month because you are just starting from the last day. So you have to start from this month, that is July. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9. So total 9 months. Longest period is 9 months. Okay, the shortest period is equal to the last day of withdrawal amount is 31st March to accounting period end date, that is 31st itself. So you can calculate from 31 to 31, from same day to same day. So that is 0. How many months? 0 months. So if you come back to the average period is equal to longest period. The longest period is 9 and the shortest period is 0, divided by 2, that's 4.5 months. Next, the main formula, that is interest. Interest is equal to total drawings into rates into average period divided by 12. So substitute to the main formula as usual. So the total drawings is 12,000 into 4, because 4 is a quarter, number of quarter, and for every quarter he is drawing 12,000 rupees. That is 12,000 into 4, that is 48,000 into 10 divided by 100 into 4.5 months divided by 12. The 4.5 months is this. So If you calculate 0000 cancel and 480 into 10 into 4.5 divided by 12, so that's how you need to solve sum if they ask in quarterly. In the next classes we'll discuss about when the amount is varying and there will be different dates, and also there is no date. So right now I think this is the easiest way to learn this sum. If you like this video, hit like and share with your friends. Like always, see you in the next series. Bye.